Hello friends, I am Prabal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss CSR net problem solution problem. This is the first questions. It's coming in CSR net 2020. Two functions ft and gt are such that f0 equals to f1 equals to 0, g0 is equal to g1 equals to 1, and f half greater than equals to g half, and t belongs to 0 comma 1. T belongs to 0 comma 1, then if t and equals to gt at exactly 1 point in 0 comma 1, and if t equals to gt at least 1 point in 0 comma 1, and if t equals to gt if infinite at infinitely many point in 0 comma 1, and ft does not equals to gt at any point in 0 comma 1. So friends, let's try to solve this problem. Answer: f0 equals to f1 equals to 0, and g0 equals to g1 equals to 1. This is my one. This is one axis. This angle is 90 degree, and this is x-axis, and this is x dash, and this is y, and this is y dash. So friends, whatever you see, we see that this point is the 0 point, and this is the point. This point is 1. So friends, according to the questions, that if half, also it is the given, if half greater than g half. So friends, fx, I think that fx should be, this is my way, this is the way that it is fx as it is in here. X-axis is 0, so it is 0 comma 0 comma f1, and this is 0 comma sorry, it is 1 comma f1, and this is 0 comma f0, and both are this is also 0, and this is also 0. So friends, this is fx, and this portion is 1, as g0 is 1 and g1 equals to 1. So friends, we see that it may be this way. This is the fx, and this portion is gx. I hope this is the gx. So friends, and this portion is half, so it is f half, and this portion is g half as f half. So it is the it is down, so that it is this position g half, and this is also 1, means this is 1, and this is 1 means this portion is 1. So let's start to solve. So you will see that ft is equal to gt at x point in 0 comma 1. This is not possible, friends, because you will see at least 2 point is the intersections. This is the intersections if we will see the minimum. So this is not possible at exactly according to our drawing at exactly 1 point in 0,1. It is not possible. Number B is ft equals to gt at least 1 point in 0,1. This is possible because according to the drawing you will see that 1 point it is meet, another point also meet. So at least 1 point in 0,1 is possible. Another factor, friends, that ft equals to gt at infinite many points, this is not possible. This is not possible because we see that this is not, because f half and g half, so this is not possible infinitely. And number D, we'll see that ft does not equals to gt at any point in 0,1. ft does not equals to gt. ft does not equals to gt at any point in 0,1. So friends, you will see that if it is the, we will see that at least 1 point in 0,1 ft is equal to gt. So this is also, this conclusion is also wrong. So friends, my first option, only B is correct. So my answer is next problem. So friends, next problem is very nice questions. This question is very nice. fxy, whatever see, fxy is equal to x square minus y square divided by x square, so y square. So I write f x y is equal to x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square. Let y is equal to mx. So friends, limit x tends to 0, x square minus limit x tends to 0 fxy is equal to limit x square minus m square x square divided by x square plus m square x square. So whatever we get the value is 1 minus m square divided by square. So friends, so limit is, so it is dependent on m. It is dependent on m. It is, limit is dependent on m. So f is continuous at 0,0. This is not true. So f is 0,0. And next, f is continuous at 0,0. This is true. And as f is not continuous, then f is not differentiable. So f is differentiable, this is also wrong. And directional derivative exists at 0,0, this is also not wrong because it is not continuous and it is not differentiable. But I will also show that it is not differentiable, as the directional formula is du 0,0 h tends to 0 if h u1 comma h u2 minus f 0 comma 0 divide by h. So friends, whatever we get limit h tends to 0, h square u1 square minus h square u2 square by h square u1 square plus h square u2 square divided by 1 by h. That is infinity. So friends, we get this value is infinity. Now again I will go section which of the following are bijective to R. So friends, this is the given. R is uncountable set, friends, uncountable. Before this, we know that if such that A tends to B, so friends, cardinality A is equal to n, and cardinality of B is equal to m, then the sum of all function is m to the power n. So friends, this is the formula note. This is my note. Now you have to solve this problem. So set of all functions 0 to 1. So whatever we see that 0 comma 1, it is the cardinality is 2, and n we know that it is the Aleph knot. Aleph knot is the cardinality. So if such that 0 comma 1 tends to n, set of all function function is chi Aleph knot square. So means Aleph knot into Aleph knot. So friends, whatever you see that this is the two are the countable. This is countable, friends. So as it is countable and R is uncountable, so it is not possible. The set of all function is not bijective because it should be countable as 1 on 2 functions. So my second portion is first A is reject, and number B. Let's see number B. Number B is n tends to 0 comma 1 and if such that n. So whatever our cardinal whatever our set of all function or Aleph knot. So friends, 2 to the power Aleph knot, this is the uncountable, and it is the this is my so whatever is the set of all function n tends to 0, it is the possible. And number C, set of all subsets of n, set of all subsets of n, set of all subset set is also 2 to the power Aleph knot. So this is also true. So answer A. And number D, set of all subsets R. Set of all subset R is always greater than set of all 2 to the power C, and 2 to the power C is always greater than C. So this proportion is not possible, because set of all subset of R obviously greater than set of obviously greater than R. So my answer is B and C. So friends, these questions also asked in CSR net a function f of real variable is defined in such way that f0 equal to f dash 0 equal to 0, then which of them is possible value of f1, f half, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 1 by 3. So friends, these questions is very these questions if you solve, you have to take some example. Let fx is equal to, so friends, in here you will see that f dash x is equal to 2x and f0 is equal to f dash 0 is equal to whatever you see, that you see 0. So this condition hold. So friends, whatever you see, that f half is equal to 1 by 4. So this option also correct. A answer is first answer option A is correct. Number B is also correct, because if I will take fx is equal to minus x square, then this equation also hold. That implies f0 is equal to f dash minus 1. And now if fx, I shall take that 3x cube 4 by 3 x square, then whatever I get f dash x also I get 8x, and now that implies f0 is equal to f dash 0 and f half is equal to also 1 by 3. So 1 by 3, this option also correct, and if it is minus in here, so it is minus, and this is also minus, so number D also correct. So answer is A, B, C, D. Answer is A, B, C. Thanks for watching.